you want to upload shorts in YouTube from your desktop. That means you just go to the youtube.com, basically youtube.com, and then you just wanted to come and click in the top upload bar, and you want to upload YouTube shorts directly from your Mac or Windows PC to the YouTube as a short video, not a full video, as a short video. Then you found the right video. Keep watching.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make it happen.
Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
First, your video need to have the right size. So one of the best way to get the right size video is about you can just click it into it. 1080 width and height will be 1920 pixel. Make sure that this is the size. If you are looking for how to do this one, it's super simple. You can just simply come into the Canva and you can create any new file, create a new design, and then you can choose the type you want, and then you can select the right size, and then you can drag and drop video, and you can get your short video produced. Super simple. All right. So now you got the size ready, and then you can simply download it to export. But now the next thing is about you go to the YouTube, click to the top right corner as normal it is, and then simply now you get your video downloaded, right? So you just come by and you download and just drop the video, and it will be uploaded here. So this is the video I'm uploading right now as a shorts. So when it's uploading, there's a few things you really need to do. First, look at this. The link is youtube.b. It's a full video. It's been uploaded. And normally it takes around 30 seconds to get it uploaded. And then what you need to do, you press hashtag and then you type shorts. You select that one. And when you select that one, now just wait for a few more seconds. And then you see this one, immediately it took it as a shorts already. youtube.com/shorts.lv. That means the video has been successfully configured as a shorts. So now it's checking few other things, checking other factor too. You can scroll down and then you can choose your right category. Like an example, I will be choosing as a leadership. I'm going to choose the management, new managers. And now the next thing I want to do is I want to add some tag as well too. So what I'm going to do, I've selected some good tags already. So I'm going to just copy paste them here in this part to save my time, because as the tag is not as useful and as important like it used to be before. Now I'm going to go next. Now you can simply on, done, next. Then you can just tell you simply none of the above, submit rating. Well, if you're not monetized yet, this screen can be skipped very easily. Then go next. In screen probably don't need, in card doesn't really need it. You go next, and then the final screen will appear here. Here, I highly suggest you not to do a private and unlisted. I always suggest you to do it as a schedule, and you can select as a premium. And like an example, I want to choose the time for 31st of October, and I want to choose the time, like an example, I want to choose at 8 p.m. So it's 8 p.m. actually kind of, well, I want to choose even another date. Let's choose the day 31st October. I want to choose at 9 p.m. example, 9:15 p.m. So now I'm going to schedule it, and then as soon as I press the button, my video has been successfully scheduled. So if you're really looking for the template, the one I showed you in Canva earlier, check out the description of the video. You'll be able to see it and you'll be able to download it and you'll be able to use my template to make your shorts too. And here you go. There's a more video here how you can use your YouTube video to make it more effective and more attractive with some great thumbnail design as well too. Check out this video and I will see you there.